All right, here we have algebra 9-1, taking a look at example number 1 here. So in example number 1, we have a trinomial being subtracted from a trinomial, right? Subtracting 3 terms from 3 terms. Subtract this from this. You've got to be careful with that order as well here. I have to read it a couple times to make sure I'm going to set it up correctly. They want me to take the 3x squared one and subtract it from this one. So that means that 4x squared plus 6x minus 3 is going to come first. And notice I'm using those parentheses like we talked about in that green highlight piece there. Watch out for that subtraction. You need to use parentheses and distribute that -1 to both pieces there. And then the 3x squared minus the 2x plus 4. Now, not completely necessary to put the first one in parentheses because all there is to distribute there is that -1, or not the negative, sorry, the +1 in front of the first parentheses. And distributing that +1, doesn't change anything. Everything just stays the same. It's the second set of parentheses that are going to have the difference, and that's going to come in from multiplying by that -1. So that's going to change the sign of everything. We're going to have a -3x squared, a +2x, and a -4. Now we can combine those like terms. We have a 4x squared minus 3x squared. And this is where the kind of thing you're going to hear me say constantly, like when you're adding apples and apples, they stay apples. If I have 4x squareds and I'm subtracting 3x squared, that stays as 1x squared. 6x and the 2x gives me 8x, and -3 minus 4 is -7. So that is our final answer in standard form. It's simplified. Everything's in order. We good to go.